Welcome to Space Quiz. Rocket. Today we have 50 math questions, from easy to difficult, to test your skills. 5 seconds to answer each question. Each correct answer gives you 1 point. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your score in the comments. Let's get started. What is 2 times 2? 2, 3, or 4? 4. Multiplying 2 by 2 equals 4. What is 10 divided by 2? 4, 5, or 6? 5. Dividing 10 by 2 equals 5. What is 3 times 3? 6, 8, or 9? 9. Multiplying 3 by 3 equals 9. What is 20 divided by 4? 4, 5, or 6? 5. Dividing 20 by 4 equals 5. What is 5 times 2? 8, 9, or 10? 10. Multiplying 5 by 2 equals 10. What is 12 divided by 6? 2, 3, or 4? 2. Dividing 12 by 6 equals 2. What is 4 times 5? 15, 20, or 25? 20. Multiplying 4 by 5 equals 20. What is 6 times 3? 16, 18, or 20? 18. Multiplying 6 by 3 equals 18. What is 50% of 100? 40, 50, or 60? 50. 50% of 100 is half of it, which equals 50. What is 5 times 5? 20, 25, or 30? 25. Multiplying 5 by 5 equals 25. What is 4 times 4? 12, 14, or 16? 16. Multiplying 4 by 4 equals 16. What is 9 divided by 3? 2, 3, or 4? 16. Multiplying 4 by 4 equals 16. What is 7 times 2? 12, 14, or 16? 14. Multiplying 7 by 2 equals 14. What is 8 times 3? 21, 24, or 27? 24. Multiplying 8 by 3 equals 24. What is the square root of 16? 3, 4, or 5? 4. The square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 is equal to 16. What is 100 divided by 20? 4, 5, or 6? 5. Dividing 100 by 20 equals 5. What is 10 times 6? 50, 60, or 70? 60. Multiplying 10 by 6 equals 60. What is 3 times 5? 12, 15, or 18? 15. Multiplying 3 by 5 equals 15. What is 20 divided by 5? 2, 3, or 4? 4. Dividing 20 by 5 equals 4. What is 6 times 7? 40, 42, or 44? 42. Multiplying 6 by 7 equals 42. What is 8 times 5? 35, 40, or 45? 40. Multiplying 8 by 5 equals 40. What is 9 times 6? 52, 54, or 56? 54. Multiplying 9 by 6 equals 54. What is 7 times 4? 25, 28, or 30? 28. Multiplying 7 by 4 equals 28. What is the square of 5, 20, 25, or 30? 25. 5 times 5 equals 25, which is the square of 5. What is the cube of 324, 27, or 30? 27. The cube of 3 is 3 times 3 by 3, which equals 27. What is 100 divided by 25, 2, 3, or 4? 4. Dividing 100 by 25 equals 4. What is 12 times 4? 44, 48, or 52? "48. Multiplying 12 by 4 equals 48. What is 25% of 400, 100, 200, or 300? "100. 25% of 400 is 1/4 of it, which equals 100. What is the square root of 121? 10, 11, or 12? "11. The square root of 121 is 11 because 11 times 11 is equal to 121. What is 50% of 300, 100, 150, or 200? "150. 50% of 300 is half of it, which equals 150. What is 20 times 20? 300, 400, or 500? "400. Multiplying 20 by 20 equals 400. What is 30 divided by 3, 8, 9, or 10? "10. Dividing 30 by 3 equals 10. What is the cube root of 64? 3, 4, or 5? "4. The cube root of 64 is 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. What is 5 times 12? 50, 60, or 70? "60. Multiplying 5 by 12 equals 60. What is 10% of 500, 30, 50, or 100? "50. 10% of 500 is calculated by dividing 500 by 10. What is the square of 8? 64, 68, or 72? "64. 8 times 8 equals 64, which is the square of 8. What is 3 superscript 3, 24, 27, or 30? "27. 3 superscript 3 means 3 by 3 by 3, which equals 27. What is 12 times 6? 60, 72, or 80? "72. Multiplying 12 by 6 equals 72. What is the square root of 144? 10, 11, or 12? "12. The square root of 144 is 12 because 12 times 12 is equal to 144. What is 15% of 200, 20, 30, or 40? 30. 15% of 200 is calculated as 200 times 0.15 is equal to 30. What is the square root of 225? 14, 15, or 16? (15) The square root of 225 is 15 because 15 times 15 is equal to 225. What is 20% of 750? 120, 140, or 150? (150) 20% of 750 is calculated as 750 times 0.20 is equal to 150. What is 8 superscript 3? 512, 520, or 530? (512). 8 superscript 3 means 8 by 8 by 8, which equals 512. What is 75 divided by 320, 25, or 30? (25). Dividing 75 by 3 equals 25. What is 5, 600, 625, or 650? (625). 5 means 5 by 5 by 5 times 5, which equals 625. What is 35% of 500? 150, 170, or 175? (175). 35% of 500 is calculated as 500 times 0.35 is equal to 175. What is the cube root of 125? 4, 5, or 6? (5). The cube root of 125 is 5 because 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. What is 90% of 300, 250, 270, or 290? (270). 90% of 300 is calculated as 300 times 0.90 is equal to 270. What is 50 superscript 2? 2,400, 2,500, or 2,600? (25). 50 superscript 2 means 50 by 50, which equals 2,500. What is 60 times 15? 800, 850, or 900? (900). Multiplying 60 by 15 equals 900. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.